There is another keyword which you can prefix before the integer type variables, that is integer c, short integer d, and long integer e, can be prefixed by the keyword unsigned. Let's say we want to use an integer f equals 41. This keyword means that the value of this integer over here can never be a negative integer. It will always have to be either a positive integer or 0. But it still takes up 4 bytes of memory. This means that the range is still the same, but it starts from 0 and it can never be negative. So the maximum positive integer that can be stored in an unsigned integer is the double of what it can be stored in a normal integer. So for an unsigned normal integer, the max value is the double of this value over here. For a short integer, the max value of an unsigned short integer is double this value. For a long integer, the maximum value of an unsigned long integer is the double of this value over here. Now, in order to print an unsigned integer to the terminal, we type printf braces and a semicolon. Now, we cannot use %d for an unsigned integer. We have to use u, which stands for unsigned. Use the comma, and then we type f, the variable which is unsigned. Now, if I save this, GCC, so I've compiled it. Now, if I want to run it, we get the value of our unsigned integer 41.